What you're going to hear about today is nothing short of a miracle.
Welcome back. Happy Monday morning. Last Monday and last week before winter break. So we just got to pull it together, got to stay the track for one more week, and then we got some time off. That'll be kind of fun. So we'll get right back in these last 5 days. We'll get right back in and we'll kind of cruise through with long division some more. So just like we were doing towards the end of last week, I'm going to throw 5 problems down below for you to work on. And then following me talking here, I'll throw our example up there for those of you who are still needing a little more structure to get through it. So take on these 5 problems and have a good Monday.
Let's start with drawing our D, M, S, B up top so we don't forget the order in which we do things. This is divide, multiply, subtract, and bring down. Hopefully this is becoming old news to you now. Okay, so here's your one example for today. There's our little house built here, and let's say I put 73 on the inside, and let's put 4 on the outside for now. 73 and 4. 73 divided by 4. So my first move is going to be ask myself, how many 4s can go into a 7 without going over? Looks like I can go 1 4, 2 4s will get me 8. So 4, 8, 12. So 1 4. So I put the 1 on top of the 7. And then I multiply, right? 1 times 4 gets me 4. And then I subtract. 7 take away 4 is 3. After subtracting is bring down. Here comes the other 3. And then I'm going to circle this because this is where the action is now. This is the step that a handful of people are getting confused at. So now, I'm done bringing down and go back to the start, divide. How many 4s can fit into all of 33 without going over? Not just this new 3, but 33 without going over. So let's see, I know that 4 times 9 is 36. That's too much. So 4 times 8, that's probably going to be my answer. So 8, put that right above the 3. And now I multiply. 8 times 4 was 32, which is pretty close. Now I subtract. I get 1. 33 take away 32 gets me 1. And now it's time to bring down, but there's nothing to bring down. So that means I'm done with the problem, except this has to come on up here. If the answer just stays down there, if it's just 18 and there's a 1 sitting down here, then you're going to have officially gotten it wrong because the answer lives up here. So the answer is 18, remainder 1. This is why it's important for me to be able to see all the steps you're doing, because if I just see this up top or if I see this without the R1, I don't know if you know what's going on. But if I can see there's a 1 down there, then I know, oops, I just didn't bring it up. So divide, multiply, subtract, bring down.